In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Freshdesk. Whether you're just setting up your help desk from scratch, or you're in the process of refining your existing workflows for better performance. This journey will take us from the foundational steps all the way through optimizing your help desk operations, ensuring you have a robust system to support your customer service efforts. We'll begin with Freshdesk admin fundamentals, particularly if this is your first time setting up. The first thing you'll want to tackle is your support email configuration. Freshdesk allows you to customize your support email, typically changing something like support@yourcompany.com to ensure that incoming emails are efficiently routed into Freshdesk, turning them into manageable tickets. This step is crucial for maintaining organized communication and quick response times. Next, you'll want to add your team members to Freshdesk. It's important to not only invite agents, but also to thoughtfully organize them into specific groups, such as billing or technical support. Assigning them defined roles with varying levels of access control will significantly streamline your operations and keep everything running smoothly. This also prevents any operational confusion and ensures everyone on your team knows their responsibilities and has the appropriate access to tools they need. Once your team is set up, training on ticketing basics is essential. Your agents should be comfortable navigating the ticket list and understand the nuances of viewing ticket details and processing them efficiently. It's all about making sure that every member of your team can swiftly move through their tasks, keeping customer satisfaction high with prompt solutions to their inquiries. Finally, you'll want to enable automation rules. Automating simple workflows can be a game changer as it reduces the manual workload significantly. Start with basic automations like categorizing tickets based on keywords or criteria and setting up auto-assign rules to direct these tickets to the appropriate agents or groups. Automation not only saves time, but also eliminates some of the repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on more complex and impactful customer interactions. Throughout this process, remember that setting up your Freshdesk help desk is not just about establishing a system, but rather creating an efficient, automated environment tailored to your business needs. As you configure your settings, always keep in mind the ultimate goal of improving response times and, ultimately, customer satisfaction. Whether you're designing your help desk setup from scratch or optimizing an existing system, these foundational steps are vital in crafting an effective customer support operation. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to configuring a Freshdesk setup that is both efficient and effective, providing a strong backbone for all your customer service endeavors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you to configure Freshdesk successfully.